This is a flash flood emergency. This is a flash flood emergency. This is a flash flood emergency. Flash flood emergency for all of South Central Texas. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Guadalupe County, Dimmit County, Travis County, Uvalde County, Karnes County, Gillespie County, Atascosa County, Lavaca County, Medina County, Hayes County, DeWitt County, Maverick County, Blanco County, Zavala County, Llano County, Fayette County, Bexar County, Real County, Comayal County, Bandera County, Kinney County, Valverde County, Kendall County, Wilson County, Burnett County, Williamson County, Caldwell County, Kerr County, Bastrop County, Frio County, Edwards County, Gonzales County, Lee County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. At 1:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for all of South Central Texas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Some locations that will experience flooding include San Antonio, Austin, Round Rock, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Medina, Schertz, Del Rio, Kyle, Eagle Pass, Seguin, Citalo, Kerrville, Universal City, Uvalde, Taylor and Live Oak. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.